Hi everyone, welcome. In this short video I will show you how to extract WinRAR files on Windows 10. I'm going to be using this app on Windows 11, but it works just the same on Windows 10, so there is literally no difference. Okay, so I have my sample archive inside of this folder. So there are two ways to extract our files from the archive. So the first one being just double-clicking on our archive, and from here, as you can see, I have some video files in here. So the first way is to just selecting them all like this and then dragging them onto any folder you want. For example, in the same folder where the archive is present, just like this. Or the second way, I'm going to delete this. The second way is just right-clicking on our archive and pressing extract all. And in here you can choose any path to extract your files to that you want by clicking on this browse button and then navigating to any path of your system and then extracting your files into there, or you can just extract your files to the same path where your actual archive is. So to do that, just press extract, and as you can see, our files are now extracted and they are in our folder now. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped you, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.